Hey everyone, this is Cass from Nutri-Tower, just offering you a little guidance on taking care of your reservoir. The reservoir holds 13 liters of water, or 3.5 gallons, but we don't want you to fill it up all the way. We want you to fill it to about 2 inches from the top. There's markers on the exterior of the reservoir that you can see inside as well, so you want to fill it to about this bottom line here. Okay, so my reservoir is full and now I'm ready to add my A and B nutrients. Now normally we recommend a capful of each, but because the plants that I have in my system are a little bit bigger, I'm gonna double up on that. So 2 capfuls of each. It's important that you add the nutrients after you've put the water in the reservoir. Okay, so now I'm ready to put my reservoir back into the Nutri-Tower. What I want to do is get the reservoir as close to the base as possible, and I want to get my pump kind of on the edge of the reservoir. So I'm going to slide it in, let my pump start to sink slowly in, and I'm going to push it back until I hear it snap, like that. So my reservoir is in place, and this is the most important step. I need to make sure that all my feeder tubes are pointing inside the reservoir. So I'm going to take a look. I can see they're almost all there, just this guy sticking out. I point him into the reservoir, and I'm all set. I got to do this to make sure that I'm avoiding any drips or leaks.